Hi all, today we are going to do one of the important things in partnership accounting, that is called adjustment of capital. Even though this is the last topic we do, but this is very important, whether it is death, retirement, or it is admission, right? So this is very important. The adjustment of capital means at the last, whenever we are doing the revaluation of assets and liability, what happens, we are taking, or the we means the all the partners taking the decision together that the asset will be on the based on different scenario, right? So adjustment of capital is done on 3 scenario. The first thing, adjustment on the basis of new partners capital, right? Whatever the new partner is bringing in capital, on the basis of that we have to adjust the old partner's capital, right? Then the other way around, capital adjusted with old partners capital, new partner has to bring accordingly, right? So whatever the old partners capital, let's say A and B are partners, they are having some investment in the partnership, right? So the new partner comes in, so how he is going to bring the capital? Let's say 1/4 share is given to Mr. C, who is coming into the partnership fund. So how that will be decided, how much capital he is going to bring for 1/4 share, that will be decided on the basis of the old partners capital which has been invested into the business. That is called capital adjustment on the basis of old partners capital account, right? And the third is profit sharing. New profit sharing ratio is given, new PSR is given, and capital adjusted accordingly. ठीक है जी, इसमें क्या होता है, the new profit sharing ratio for all the partners given, and whatever the investment has been done by the partners in the capital as capital in the firm, that is going to be as per the new profit sharing ratio. The old changes and the new profit sharing ratio comes in, and then on the basis of that all the partner has to bring in, right? So first we will going to take this. Now let's say I'm giving you an example over here, okay? Let's say this is the part I'm using for that, right? So one by one we will do that. Just take it seriously and take it, and that will give you marks, okay, and confidence as well. So adjustment on the basis of the new partner's capital account, right? So how do we do that? So let's say A and B are partner, A and B are partner, they have the 1:1 ratio, right? Now the new partner is coming in, C is getting 50% share, 1/2, that is 50%, 1/2, right? So how much he has given, let's say they have given in their same ratio, so he has only now 1/4. अभी तो इसके पास कितना था, 1/2, इसके पास भी 1/2 था. Now it has changed to 1/4, and it has changed this delta 1/4. So 1/4, 1/4, and 1/2, right? So here I am taking A is capital, right? This is adjusted as, let me tell you, this is adjusted all the time. It is adjusted capital, right? So whenever you are doing the adjustment of the capital, it is adjusted capital. Now you will wonder, what is adjusted capital? Adjusted capital is nothing but you will prepare the capital account of the partner, and all the things The revaluation of assets, so you are getting revaluation profit or revaluation loss will be given to you, or interest on capital, interest on drawing will be charged accordingly, right? If the provisions are there, and anything, general reserve, etc., everything will be distributed and adjusted, and then whatever the balance comes in your capital account, that is called adjusted capital, and that amount will be used over here. Okay, so let's say A's capital over here 1 lakh rupees, right? And B's capital is 50,000 rupees. You will say, sir, they are equal one by one. It happens. Okay, capital can be different, profit sharing ratio can be different. Now the new partner comes in for 1/4, 1/2 share, and he is bringing, let's say, he is bringing how much capital? Let's say 2 lakh rupees. He is bringing 2 lakh rupees for 1/2 share. So what would be the firm's capital? So as per his share, if C share is equal to 1 by 2 and capital for 1 by 2 is 2 lakh rupees, so what would be the firm's capital? फर्म की कैपिटल कितनी हो जाएगी? 2 lakh rupees, और इसको उल्टा कर दो 2 by 1, so that is 4 lakh rupees should be the capital of the firm, right? So now firm's capital after C's admission is equal to 4 lakh, right? Now we have to distribute to the three partners A, B, C. A has been given 1 by 2. He is bringing 2 lakh rupees. Now A's share would be 4 lakh rupees. And what is the share? 1 by 4 now. So 1 by 4, that is 1 lakh rupees. So he will have 1 lakh rupees. And what is B's share? He is also having 1/4. So total capital of the firm 4 lakh. So he will also have 1 lakh rupees. Now C, what would be the impact? He has previously invested A has previously invested 1 lakh rupees. So 1 lakh he has to invest. He has already invested. So no change is there. So no transaction will be there in his account. उसके account में कोई transaction नहीं होगा. Now see the B's capital. He has to invest 50,000 rupees and he has only invested 50,000 rupees. So he has to bring in 50,000 rupees as capital. So what would be the entry when he brings in cash account debit to B's capital account, right? So he will bring in 50,000 rupees as per the requirement of the new capital adjustment, and C is already bringing 2 lakh rupees. So this is the way how you have to adjust the capital on the basis of the new partners capitals, right? So new partner के बेसिस पे ओल्ड पार्टनर्स को कैसे किया जाता है सेटल, ठीक है? चलिए, नाउ वी विल मूव टू द सेकंड. If we don't know how much the new partner will bring in, rather on the basis of the old partners, we have to find out how much capital he has to bring in. Let's take the same example. ठीक है, देखते हैं क्या आंसर आता है. A has 1 by 2 share and he has invested 1 lakh rupees. B has 1/2 share and he has invested 50,000 rupees, right? Now it says how much we are giving 1/4 share. So C is coming in. C is admitted, plus means admitted, and he has been given 1/2 share, right, of the new partnership firm as per the agreement. So how much he has to bring in? So we have to find out the total firm's capital. So on, let's say these are the adjusted capital of the partner, right? adjust cap because we have to prepare the capital account, then the class will go very long. So this is the total capital. Total capital is equal to 1,50,000 of A plus B. So firm's capital कितनी हो जाएगी? Firm's capital, what would be the firm's capital? Now the C has been given 1/2, so that is 1/2 remaining with A and B, right? So 1,50,000 2/1. कैसे? आप कहोगे C has been given 1/2. So what is the remaining thing? You must be knowing that in the fundamental of partnership firm, you must have studied that. If it's, let's say C, the new partner has given, वैसे भी आप देखो 50%, if somebody has been given, the remaining partner will have 50%, right? Common sense. अगर C नया पार्टनर 50% ले रहा है तो ओल्ड पार्टनर्स के पास 50% रह जाएगा, ठीक है? इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं 1 माइनस 1/2, ठीक है? सारे पार्टनर्स का जो टोटल होता है 1 होता है, उसमें से इस पार्टनर का अगर हम 1/2 माइनस कर दे तो 2 आपका एलसीएम आ जाएगा 1, तो 2 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 1/2. दैट इज द रिमेनिंग पार्टनर इज हैविंग 1/2. So for 1/2, half of the share, the capital is invested by A and 2, 1,50,000 for the whole firm. Reverse that, 2/1 is equal to 3 lakh rupees, right? तो अब हम निकाल लेंगे इसमें से what is the share of A, what is the share of B and what is the share of C out of 3 lakh rupees. 3 lakh rupees में से किसका कितना शेयर होगा? How much share he has? 1/4 now. हमने उसमें लिया था ना, अब इसका शेयर कितना हो जाएगा? चेंज होके डेल्टा होके 1/4 हो गया, इसका डेल्टा होके 1/4 हो गया, क्योंकि इसका 50% ही बचा ना यहाँ पे, 1/2 है, एंड लेट्स से दे हैव गिवन इन द सेम रेशियो, सो दे विल हैव 1/4 एंड 1/4, ठीक है? तो 1/4 के लिए कितना हो जाएगा? 3 लाख. 1/4 ऑफ दैट इज हाफ, 75,000, ठीक है? सिमिलरली for B 3 lakh, 1/4 that is 75,000, and C 1/2 3 lakh, 1/2 that is 1,50,000. So the C has to bring in, पहले इसका लिख लेते हैं, C has to bring in 1,50,000, ठीक है जी? This is it. निकल गया नए का पुराने के बेसिस पे, कैपिटल एडजस्टमेंट ऑन द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल, ठीक है? नाउ ए का देखिए पुराना कितना है? 1 लाख रुपए. अब उसे कितना इन्वेस्ट करना है? 75. सो ए विल टेक अवे 1 lakh invested previously. Now he is required to invest only 75,000, so he will take away 25,000 to his home. चलिए 25,000 वो तो अपने घर ले जाएगा. नाउ B has invested 50,000 previously. Now he is required to invest 75,000. So B will bring in 50,000 minus 75,000, that is 25,000. He has to bring in. उसको 25,000 लाने पड़ेंगे. So as per the new capital adjustment, the A will take away 25,000 to his home because he has invested excess. B will bring 25,000 because his share, as per his share on the basis of capital adjustment, he requires 25,000 more. He was investing 50,000, but now he requires 75,000, and C has to bring 1,50,000 as per the capital adjustment, right? So this is the way things are, ठीक है? On the basis of old partners. चलिए on the basis of same thing, अब on the basis of same thing, same हमारा फॉर्मूला हम वही यूज करते हैं, सॉरी हमारे जो एग्जाम्पल था हम वही यूज करेंगे, ठीक है? A is having 1/2 share, invested 1 lakh rupees. सेम हमने ऐसे लिया था. B has invested, B has share 1/2 and he has invested 50,000 rupees, right? Now C is being admitted, plus means admission, right? And he has been given 1/2 share. So A and B share, A and B's new share कितना हो जाएगा 1/4 और इसका न्यू शेयर कितना हो जाएगा 1/4. सो न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो कितना हो जाएगा A:B:C, दैट इज 1/4 1/4 एंड 1/2. इक्वलेट कर लीजिए इसको, ये हो जाएगा आपका 1:1:2. ठीक है, ये आपका नया रेशियो है. नाउ यू हैव टू मेक द कैपिटल इन दिस रेशियो. सो 1/2 इसके पास है तो कैपिटल कितनी है, ए एंड बी के पास शेयर कितना है, ये शेयर है 1/4 पर 1/4 इज इक्वल टू कितना हो गया हाफ. ठीक है, सो कैपिटल इन्वेस्टेड फॉर 1/2 शेयर बाय A प्लस B इज इक्वल टू कितना है 1 लाख रुपीज प्लस 50,000 रुपीज, दैट इज 1,50,000. This is the capital invested for 50% share. So total capital of firm की कैपिटल कितनी हो जाएगी 1,50,000 multiply by 2/1, that is 3 lakh rupees. So as per new share A, B, C, इसका कितना हो जाएगा 1:1:2. ठीक है, एक और एक दो चार से इसको डिवाइड कर दो 75,000, तो इसका आ जाएगा 75,000 और इसका आ जाएगा 1.5 लाख. ठीक है, अब इसमें हमारे को पहले दिया हुआ है ए ने इन्वेस्ट किया हुआ है 1 लाख रुपीज एंड ही हैज टू इन्वेस्ट 75,000. सो ए विल टेक अवे 25,000. ठीक है, बी has invested 50,000, now he has to invest 75,000. B will bring 25,000 more capital, and this is C's share. C will bring 1,50,000. So this is on the basis of new profit sharing ratio. I have given in detail. Most of the time they are giving the adjusted capital and the ratio, and you have to find out on the basis of that. So as simple as that. So you have 3 ways to adjust the capital, right? It is nothing difficult, it is easy, but you need to have the clear concise thing in your mind that what to do. You have to find out the adjusted capital of the old partners, ठीक है, or adjusted capital of anything, whatever has been given, how many partner, it doesn't matter. So find out the adjusted capital. On the basis of adjusted capital you can adjust the capital, or you will be given new partners capital. On the basis of new partners capital, find out the firm's capital, find out the adjusted capital of the old partner, then find out what they have to take away to home or bring in. And if the profit sharing ratio is given, then you have to do the same thing, old partners capital account, adjust that and find out the total capital of the firm. Then on the basis of the new profit sharing ratio, you have to divide the capital and see who has to take away, who has to bring in more capital, and what is the share of the new partner, right? And जनरल एंट्री, यू नो दैट जनरल एंट्री आपकी लाने की क्या हो जाती है, आपकी लाने की जो भी है कैश और बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. दिस इज जनरल एंट्री टू ब्रिंग इन कैपिटल, एंड इफ दे आर टेकिंग अवे, सो पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट credit what goes out, that is cash or bank. So this would be the entry if somebody is taking money out of. So this would be the entry. A will take away 25,000. So A's capital account debit to bank account 25,000, we will bring more 25,000. So here the bank account debit to B's capital account, and C has to bring, because he is the new partner, so bank account debit to C's capital account. So this would be the entry. So I have let you know all the things, all the aspect of adjustment of the capital. I hope you would have understood. If you think if anything needs to be added over here, or any confusion here, or any doubt here, please place your doubts, confusion in the comment. I will definitely revert to you. Thank you very much. Have a very nice day.